You are welcome once again to my channel. Sa Skincare and Bakery is the name. So guys, if you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own soap in a simple way. So let's dive into the video. This is my soap base. Yes, get a clean sanitized container or a bowl. Then scoop all these base into the container or the bowl. Some of the base sometimes is hard and some of it is too soft. But today I'm using the softer one. And this is my Larissa soap. I'm using 3 of it. Larissa soap is one of the best whitening soap base. Yes, you can use it to make your own mulatto soap. But today I'm using it to make this soap. Guys, please, I'm using 3 of it. Let me grate it, okay? I'll be right back. Yes, guys, I've scooped all the soap to make this video a short one. So this is the Larissa soap. Yes, the Larissa soap is that one. And also I have the Kampala too. So I will be showing you all. This is the Larissa soap. This one is the Larissa soap that I grated. After grating it, then this is my Kampala soap. The next soap is my soap base. This is my Carroton soap. I use 2 of it, and this is my Cottage Fresh. I use 3 containers of my Cottage Fresh. This my half cast solution. Guys, if you need some, you can also contact us for yours. Okay. Yes, and some of the soap is also there. I'm doing this soap for myself. Because of the program, I've become a little bit darker. And I don't wish to be like that. So guys, let's make this soap for ourselves. And this is my Perfect Skin Repair and Whitenizer. I'm using it because it contains happy white and niacinamide or vitamin B3. I love it. I'm using half of the bottle. Half of the bottle. For this soap is enough for me. Yes. Half of the bottle. Some of my customers have contacted me, so I have to do it and also use some of the parts. Okay. And this is my Carovet oil. Guys, I love the oil more than this serum. This is my first time using the serum, and I will come back and give you a review of the serum. So guys, I will prefer the oil. Use the oil. If you have the oil, use the oil. The oil glows the skin. It whitens the skin very well. So I love the oil, but I get in the serum. So let me try it and give you a review of it. Okay, I use one of the serum. Then I added in 20 ml of my Snow White powder, and I'll add in 20 ml or 20 grams of my kojic acid powder. This is my 20 grams of my kojic acid powder. I have added in that one. Guys, if you are watching the video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you are passing by for the very first time, please remember to subscribe. This is my skin free milk. Skin free milk, I added in only 2 tablespoons of my skin free milk. 2 tablespoons is enough for this soap. Okay, guys. This is my preservative. I'm adding only 2 tablespoons to preserve this soap for longer period. I'm not using this soap alone. I'm selling some, so I have to use the preservative to preserve it up. And this is my oil mixture. Pigment dough is inside. Clinic Clear oil is also inside. Skin free milk is also inside. A lot is inside. Tea tree oil is also inside. Peppermint oil is also inside. So the oil itself treats the skin and also whitens the skin. It's my mulatto oil. So I added in 100 grams of it, 100 ml of my oil into this mixture. Okay, yes, remember I said I'm using the soap and also selling some. So I have to make this soap treats and also whitens the skin very well to give it that flawless skin. After stirring it, I'll keep the soap over there for 3 days. Yes, before I will use my hand mixture to mix it up. So now we are stirring the soap. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also comment. You can also make your request in the comment section what you want us to do for you, and we will do it for you. How to do it, we will show you the process. Yes, on skincare and also on bakery, whatever you want us to do for you, you can also make a request in the comment section over there. so that we can do it for you guys. Okay, we are always available for you guys. So right now I have stirred very, very well to let the soap incorporated to each other. Yes. So I'll cover it for 3 days. Before that, guys, let me tell you something. We are back again. Yes, we are back again from the program. Right now, we are wishing for the best for each other. So, what are you waiting for? Why don't you join this family, this amazing family? Join us by subscribing, share our videos to your friends and families. This is the 3 days that I have blended the soap, and I'm going to scoop it into the containers. Yes, I'm going to scoop all the soap into the containers. This soap, when you are using it, please try to rub it on your body for 10 to 15 minutes. Rub it, wet your body a little bit and rub the soap on your body or your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can take your normal bath and you are way to go. This soap will just scrub your skin, will give that flawless skin tone. Trust me, 2 to 3 weeks is assured with this soap. Yes, I scoop all the soap into the container and the bigger size is mine. Yes, this is what I'm going to use, the bigger one. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video.